Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage active status on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage your active status on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage your active status on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into your home page. And then from here, tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directed into this page. You simply need to scroll down, and you will see in here Settings and Privacy. Tap on this drop down button. And then from here, select the settings. And then as you can see, in your settings and privacy, we have the preferences, audience, and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you'll see in here active status. Simply tap on it to manage your active status. And as you can see in here, we have the option show when you're active. In here, if you don't want your friend to show that you're active, simply tap on this button. And as you can see, there will be a prompt. Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends or connection are active, recently active, or in chat with you. In here, if you really want to turn off their status, simply tap on this turn off button. And if you don't want to, simply tap on the cancel. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage active status on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your active status on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.